been able to discover another what I would call a manufacturing company. This is where they manufacture Hennessy. This is Hennessy VSO.
Jesus Christ.
In their numbers. See? These are the rubber they used to mix it. The team of Anambra State Task Force, in collaboration with NAFDAC, have been able to intercept another factory where these products are being adulterated. This is ESCO. These are products. These are products.
This guy is a big one. You know the fake children's this thing. The kingpin. You know this small things about the thing.
This is another factory. This is another factory where all these things are produced. So this is it Ever wine? These are Ever wine.
Okay, this
Is Ever wine? This is Ever wine. Where they manufacture it. These are the poppers. McDonald's.
Come on.
So, Sunday. This is these ones are already packed for sale. These ones are already packed for sale.
They're more original compared to
The Nancy man first.
See? They are packed it already.
Packed in Indomie.
Just open this carton. Which one is inside this carton?
Oh, wow.
Okay, this is sugar. They put it sugar. You add sugar on it. When you drink, it will be sweetening you. And you say you are eating, you are taking Ever. This is the Ever wine that you used to drink. Been able to throw down the bowel inside this cup. On my own, I'm going to be fat. Ever. They'll carry sugar, use something, cover it. Look at it. They'll use this and turn it. Then they will give you, go by, say they enjoy your life. That is what we are seeing today in Obaronem market. Today is the 8th day of June 2021. This place now, you cannot go upstairs unless you follow a small gate here. This is the factory. You see people selling different items of goods around them. This is the finished product of Ever, Pure Heaven. Finished product of Ever, Pure Heaven.